Rise and shine.
Hey, what's up?
I think you're probably the youngest guy here.
Met a couple of new people.
These crazy guys are from Georgia. Look at these Moto setups, man.
Tried to stay on this car.
All the way from Georgia to come to the Palmetto ADV Rally.
Yes, for the Lowcountry boy. But the riding wasn't that bad either.
And Greg's riding a bike that I'm lusting after.
Yeah, all tricked out. Everyone notices my Harley seat on this bad boy.
That's hilarious. You're a hammock camping hero.
That's right.
You're an odd duck. Yep. Is this one of those ones where you just like, it pops up?
It is awesome.
Oh,
That's it.
Get out of here.
So when you could literally put it together in 30 seconds.
You're on an Africa twin, huh?
Yeah. I learned how to deal with the sand.
Nice.
That was the worst. The mud was great. I had a good time with the mud, but the sand, that was scary.
You took men's class?
Yeah, it was. I would recommend it for anybody else. It was
Good
really
stuff,
good.
huh?
I got through a lot of. It cut down on my learning curve, I'd say.
I'm liking your off-road setup, though. This is quite the classic.
He's very polite. August 12th. I had a detached garage. We got hit by lightning and lost 5 bikes, a truck. And my wife's sports car was in there. Her ATV. 40 years worth of collecting tools. At the end of the day, it's all just stuff, and you can get more stuff. I was happy just to get something to ride. If you had an hour here and there to de-stress around the house.
Isn't that the beauty of being on a motorcycle?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's therapeutic.
Yes. All right, here's some crazy kids over here. How'd you guys sleep last night?
This stuff awesome. He brought his truck.
Good night.
Big blow mattresses.
Yeah, it was good.
Big tents, and we didn't do the full Moto camp experience.
Hey, that's all right.
No, slept like a baby.
So what are you guys doing when you leave here?
Going to get breakfast.
No.
This was great. We got to do it again.
Absolutely.
You know, there's so many, hopefully.
Where'd you guys ride yesterday?
We got a good bit of the scar, a lot of dirt.
Nice.
We just jumped a little pavement here and there, but they just kept coming, and it was the rain the night before made it. Just knocked down the sand and dust. It was fun.
It was some high-speed riding yesterday. It was good. It was really good. Yeah.
I didn't die, so that was good.
You're part of the orange crew at this rally, aren't you?
Yeah. Thanks for
That's a heck of a bike.
Yes, I'm riding the Scar home today, back to Edgefield, so probably 180 miles of riding today. Should be good. The dirt's really good right now. It's not too dusty, so the guy behind me doesn't suck a lot of dust all day. Always great, so yeah, looking forward to it.
That's a great setup.
Yeah, it's good. I can go probably, my limit is water and food, right? I mean, I can camp for weeks off of this as long as I can get the water and get food. So.
Jason and I were talking about how funny it was. We packed the exact same stuff for this weekend that we normally do for like, a 2-week trip.
Right. You get used to it, that's what you do, right? Yeah.
These guys are all the way from Tennessee and North Carolina. What'd you think?
I thought it was great. For the first time, I'm really looking forward to the second annual next year.
Yay!
Yeah, it was good.
And you guys are doing the scars, so you got to meet Kris Kox.
Yeah, that was really exciting. He's done such a great job.
Hey Ziggy, how you doing over there?
All right.
Getting a little more comfortable with the bike.
Yeah. The loading is going to take longer than getting home. Yeah, so we just did 3 years in Germany, my family and me, in the Air Force, and I had a 310 GS that I was getting back into riding. I first stepped on the 1250 and was scared in the dealership. It was huge. So I saw a 310, so I bought that, and I had that for about 2 years in Germany. Rode it all over, and then about 6 months before we went home, they were selling US spec GSs again. So the military will ship it in your household goods. So I said, I got to get one and they'll ship it home for free. I got it maybe 2 weeks before we shipped the household goods. So I put 600 miles in Germany, put it in a box, and I had to wait till July. So I just started riding here, South Carolina, since July. I was following you guys in Germany. That's where I first saw you guys. Oh, that is so cool. I wanted to do the tat, and I think I saw your Mexico trip first. Awesome. And so I followed you for a while now, and then you're close by. Awesome. This is just kind of a kind of cool coincidence. So it's great to meet you in person. It was so great to meet you. Yeah, man. Thanks for yesterday.
Thanks for riding.
Okay, so
double take mirrors.
We've got heated grips. We've got CRG brake lever and clutch lever. The phone mount here. We have the heat crash bars. We've got RNG sliders.
Dash plate.
We've got the RNG bash plate for the engine. We got the Camel skid guard. We got the extra Camel tank on the back. Cyclops fog lights and turn signals. That's about it. What's up, Bo? What's up, Bo?
Man, Cheyenne, it's been an awesome weekend. What was the inspiration behind the ADV Rally?
So really the inspiration came is once I bought my bike, I was looking for cool trails, places to ride other than just street riding, and I stumbled upon the SCAR route. Through looking through all the cool things that people were doing with the SCAR and how much they were enjoying it, I contacted Kris. I let him know that I owned a barbecue. Kris Kox. Kris here is the founder and originator of the SCAR. He was my inspiration for putting together the first annual Palmetto ADV Rally, and we really appreciate all the work that he's put in and his team's put in for this amazing rally.
I mean, the SCAR is not, I didn't just do this by myself, it was kind of my baby, but this has taken a community to get it to this point, and it's continuing to take a community to make it, advance and grow. And I mean, thank you, Cheyenne, for hosting this.
Oh, yes, sir.
I can't wait to see what this is going to look like next year.
Yeah,
for sure. Everybody, I mean, the Overlanders, every individual rider, you all are, the Facebook group, I mean, you're all doing what it takes to advance ADV riding in the state of South Carolina, in the region. So this is really cool to see this happen, and I'm just thankful for all of you.
So Kris was very gracious, very humbling as far as, just accepting, my idea and really giving me a lot of good ideas on how to approach it. This was, lightning fast that we were putting this together. Right. And I told him at that time, I said, if we get 10 riders, I'd be happy. I think that would be cool. Right. And we got way more than 10 riders. Yeah. So we had a great event here, and truly Kris and the SCAR and all the people that put in the work to make the SCAR was my inspiration for the Palmetto ADV Rally.
Absolutely.
We had people from North Georgia, we had Tennessee, we had a gentleman from Illinois, North Carolina. Those are all people that get to come to our great state of South Carolina and enjoy our riding, because we go to North Carolina a lot to ride up there and do the Tail of the Dragon or whatever, different, routes you're going, Smoky Mountain 500,
yeah. So when we went yesterday, you know, we're riding under these canopies of oak trees, and it's just a different scene.
That's right. You get the southern charm of the Lowcountry when you come to the Palmetto Rally.
Speaking of which, the Lowcountry food was a huge hit, man. Everybody loved the food.
Oh, well, thank you. You know, my passion is barbecue. So I've been a pitmaster for a very long time, and for me to be able to share that with you, you guys to share all the knowledge you have about riding with me, it makes a great combination. Motorcycles, barbecue, friendships,
shrimp boil.
Yeah, Lowcountry boil. I mean, well, that's just a taste of the Lowcountry. We opened up October of 2020 during the pandemic. Everyone supported us. It was an awesome, awesome thing, and we're still going strong. We're going to, you know, just keep growing it, and through word of mouth and Facebook and other means of, you know, social media. Who knows where it will go?
But it's going to be a lot bigger. I know.
We had a great group. Look, we had a great group of guys here this week. So it was lots of fun. Thank you so much for your interview.
All because of you, man. Your inspiration and your passion for the sport and your love of getting outdoors and riding your bike is just infectious.
Well, thank you. And I wouldn't be able to do any of this without the Moto Photo Adventure guys. So we appreciate them too. Thank you guys.
Let me get you $20.